They say that we've been under attack, and everybody wonders how we're gonna fight back, and if we will last, facing the facts. We're standing all alone as the war weighs on. At times I start to wonder where we really belong. The pressure is on, it's making us strong. We're gonna survive. There's too many things that we wanna be, and all that we need is what we believe. We're stepping in stride and we're holding on. Our hope is a force that'll carry us on. It's more than a song, it's where we belong. We're gonna survive.